Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have an animation pack of 5 magic effects by Ansimus, an enemy battler pack of 32 pixel fantasy creatures by Clockwork Raven, a character art of a tired-looking adult male by Nijigen Bancho, and another character art of a schoolgirl in a modern sailor suit by Nanago, an MV plugin by Hikari Leiko that adds a system to equipping items to actors, an MV plugin by Anna Mages that allows a playlist of music files to play in the background of our game that can be muted or played with a plugin command, like a radio that can be turned on and off. Next, we have a set of 3 project templates for MV by Eduardo Gare. One for an action RPG, second for a roguelike game, and third for an isometric view game with side view battles. We can download these 3 projects and use their system as templates for our own games. A pack of abstract backgrounds by Madaraku Moriko, a tool for generating pixel art portraits by Victor, and lastly, a sprite pack with character arts and side view battlers by Asterisk from their game Zushiri Phantasm. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.